No again. We are all of us, I suppose, familiar with Coulter's law, even if we don't call it by that name. An American woman called Ann Coulter observed that the longer it takes for the newspapers and television news to specify the ethnicity of somebody carrying out a mass shooting, the less likely it would be that the individual is white. This principle has been expanded in Britain to cover other crimes. I've spoken before of the game I play when reading news reports of various offences, which I have dubbed Guess the Ethnicity. In Britain, though, this is becoming a more serious problem because it's not just being played by the mass media, but also by the police. When some crime which suggests a terrorist motive takes place in this country, the police often urge people not to speculate about the case or to discuss it on social media. This usually means that the suspect is black or Muslim. In recent months, though, the police have been going even further by only explicitly identifying the ethnicity and nationality of suspects or those charged with offences if they happen to be white British people. We saw this with the car driven through crowds in Liverpool earlier this year, when the police told us before anybody had even been charged that they had arrested a white British man. This was unusual. Now we're seeing it happening more and more often, and nobody seems to have noticed or to have been bothered about it. A teenage girl appeared in court a few days ago charged with attempting to murder somebody in Bristol. We are told that she tried to kill Mohammed Mahmoudi, and just in case we have not got the message that this is a case with Islamophobic implications, we read too that a spokesman for Counter-Terrorism Policing Southwest previously gave Burns nationality as white British. I wonder if any viewers have seen an offence involving a white victim when the police announced that the person charged was black British or Asian British. They haven't, have they? Because it never happens. This is something which is only done when white people are arrested or charged with some alleged crime. In this case, the police are making sure that we all know that this is likely to be a racist attack carried out by a white person. Such cases are so exceedingly rare that they feel that they must ensure that we all know about them when they do happen. How very different is the case when a foreigner or Muslim or black person is charged with an offence against a white child, say. It will be recalled that a 12-year-old girl in the Scottish city of Dundee was filmed screaming at a foreigner to keep away from her and her sister. We were told by the police that an innocent couple had been threatened by this young girl and that she had been charged with having an offensive weapon. She was, of course, a white girl. The sequel was interesting because the police later announced they had arrested and charged two other people in connection with the incident and asked that we did not speculate about this or discuss it on social media. Most unusually, they refused to name the people that they had charged and would not even say what they had been charged with. In fact, the man charged was a Bulgarian called Adi Dumana, and he was charged with assaulting a young girl. The police in Scotland are anxious to keep this secret, though. Had he been a white British man and the girl involved black or Asian or Muslim, one suspects that they would have been happy to release his name and ethnicity. We are told that there is no such thing as two-tier justice or two-tier policing in this country, but when we see what is actually happening, this becomes increasingly hard to believe.